the Netgear 4250 desktop models. Now, the 4250 line was introduced last year by us, and these are switches dedicated to delivering the best possible solution for your IP workflows. They are optimized for NDI. They work fantastic. In fact, I say it all the time, the Netgear switches are our #1 tech support solution if you're having problems with your NDI workflow. And since we started selling these Netgear switches, our tech support for NDI products have dropped dramatically. What I really like about this unit is it's a smaller compact unit, so you can put it in like a flight case or something else if you want to bring it with you. And I know there are a lot of people developing their own portable solutions around this switch being the core switch for their bring it on premise, or if you just want to create a small little switching solution, NDI switching solution, let's say in an event space like a bar for doing bands, classroom, auditorium, all kinds of different things. Kudos again, phenomenal product, phenomenal price point, Netgear M4250. We carry the entire product line of 4250 switches, so please, if you don't need the portable, if you need more robust, we have switches with 10, 24, 48 ports, whatever you need, we've got it. Netgear M4250s, a Video Guys top product of 2022.